We're Mallory and Savannah. We are two best friends that have a DIY blog called Clutter. We truly believe that if you can dream it, you can do it. So here is some of our DIY meets design. Welcome to my dining room. We recently relocated my dining room and I'm loving having it right in my entryway. The first thing that we did was we got these brand new Esperó dining chairs from Article. The table runner is part of our Classy Clutter collection. It's a black and white striped with a scalloped edge, and I love that it goes the length of the table. Our dining room gets used all the time, whether it's me and Mallory working, my kids working on a craft, or us eating a dinner as a family. I love that these chairs are very durable and that they look so pretty. For my dining table, Kyle, my husband, actually made it for me. It's one of those pieces that I hope to have forever. I love that my dining room is connected to a little seating area that's right off my kitchen, which I have my Article leather couch in. On Article's website, these chairs come in two different options. I went with the brush brass legs, which are also the frame, and then also this black, really pretty fabric. I love how this old wood table looks really nice paired with these modern, clean line chairs. I had a local florist do this floral arrangement for me, and I love that it goes the length of the table and it adds like a little bit of a florally and a girly vibe in this space. I'm loving my dining room and I love that everything goes perfectly together, and I hope that you love it too. I added a link below for these beautiful chairs. Check out classyclutter.net for more room reveals and tutorials. See you next time. Bye!